guys, I'm Shayna. I'm just here with a really quick video to tell you guys how you can use Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair line. So they sent me this nice cool line right over here just the other day, and I just got the chance to take a look into it and actually wash and condition my hair with it and all the products that they gave me. So I wanted to just share with you guys how I use the products. This is actually really interesting. You know what I've gotten into the habit of lately? I have gotten into the habit of actually reading directions. Like, so often I get like a deep conditioner or I get a shampoo and I'm just like, I know how to shampoo my hair. It's cool, I got this. I don't need no directions. You know what I mean? But I actually sat down and read the directions and I was like, oh my goodness, I was not gonna do that. So what they sent me was the shampoo, the conditioner. They sent me a deep conditioner, or it was a protein treatment mask. They sent me a leave-in conditioner and the repair split-in balm. Now, typically what I would do is I would use the shampoo, then the conditioner, and then, I would use the shampoo and then the mask and then the conditioner. That's how I would do it. But I was reading the back of this mask, so it says repairs damage caused by overprocessing. Just one use of this intensive treatment helps strengthen by reducing breakage up to 75%. Powered by reparative proteins and butters, this nutrient-rich strengthening cream smooths to naturally reinforce and revitalize abused hair fibers. Certified organic shea butter, ultra moisturizing Manuka honey and yogurt blend in a deep conditioning formula that fortifies weak strands, combating breakage and split ends to leave hair looking smooth and healthy. Leaves hair soft, supple, and irresistibly touchable. Apply a quarter-sized amount from roots to ends, paying particular attention to the damaged ends. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse thoroughly and style as usual. May also be used as a pre-wash intensive treatment. Now, so here's where I was gonna go wrong had I not read the back of this bottle. So looking at this, I just see that it's a protein treatment. Just looking at the packaging, it just says it's a protein treatment. So, and it was kind of weird too, like receiving it in my box. I was like, what? Shea Moisture didn't send me no deep conditioner for my package? Like, how they expect me to deep condition my hair? And so that's what really made me look at the back of this, because I was like, this has to be a deep conditioner. Like, there's no way this is just a protein treatment. It has to be deep conditioning my hair too. I guess I just needed to like visually see the word deep condition for me to believe this was a deep conditioner. So I read the back and it did say that this is a deep conditioning. What did it say? It says it's a deep conditioning formula. So I was like, okay, cool, it is a deep conditioning formula. So then I was like, well, let me just go ahead and read, keep going. And then that's when it said that it can be used as a pre-wash treatment. That's kind of the point that I was making about deep condition, because I deep condition after I shampoo my hair. So I love the fact that the directions point out that you can actually use this as a pre-wash, because it just made my whole wash day routine so much easier, because I didn't have to like worry about washing my hair and then deep conditioning it and then rinsing the deep conditioner out. Like, I just hate I feel like that's kind of backwards. I do prefer to deep condition my hair first, but I'm like a rule follower. So if the deep conditioning directions don't say use this before shampoo, then I'll shampoo first and then I'll deep condition. I hope that makes sense. So anyway, I would have never known this or done this had I not read those directions. And then after I used that, then I went ahead and shampooed my hair. I conditioned it. I used this leave-in conditioner. If you want to see my full review, make sure you click this link right up here that I'm going to link right there, so that you can see my full review on all these products that I used in the line and all my thoughts on them. Thanks for watching this quick video today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.